Hey guys, happy new year and welcome in 2021. So let us resume our schedule, and today I will be showing you an update that I made for the Echo RSS Feed Post Generator plugin. So this is a very needed update because many of you guys suggested that I should add this to the plugin. So starting from today, it will be able to list live RSS feeds on your site. So as you might know already, Echo RSS Feed plugin is an RSS importer. So this means that it is able to generate posts on your site from RSS feeds. However, starting from today, it will be able to also display feeds on pages or on posts on your site and update them automatically, so the feeds will be live. So let me show you how this will work. A new shortcode will be added in the latest version of the plugin, Echo Live RSS, and it will have multiple parameters. And yeah, let me show you how it will actually work. So let us add a new post, copy this shortcode, and let's exit code editor for now. And let me show you that the plugin will add also a Gutenberg block alternative for this new shortcode, Echo Live RSS. So this is the Gutenberg block alternative. It will have all the parameters that the shortcode will be able to handle, and also it will be a shortcode alternative. So let me show you first the shortcode. For this, let us go back to code editor, give the post a title, and paste the example shortcode from here in the newly created post. So we will see that I can add a feed URL. This is the feed URL that I want to display. How many items should I display at max? Layout, this is the ordering of elements in the generated content. So if you want to show the thumbnail of the post first, you add here in this comma separated list thumbnail, title, content, and post data. If you don't want to show the thumbnail, you simply remove it or add it to the end if you want, and so on. So keep in mind, this is the layout element. Excerpt, how many words at maximum should the excerpt have? Read more, add a read more button, new window, open links in a new window. The thumbnail size, if you don't want a thumbnail, you can write here false. How many hours or how long should the plugin cache the content that it imports? So if you want to cache things for a shorter duration, you can add here 1 hour, for example. And now all we have to do is hit publish, and by viewing this post we will display the RSS feed. So as we saw, the plugin also adds an Ajax loader for the script. And let's see, if I remove the thumbnail here and hit update, we will have only textual feeds. Also, if we add the thumbnail at the beginning, we will have the image at the beginning. Okay, so this is how the plugin will be able to list lively updated feeds. So keep in mind, guys, these feeds will be updated automatically once the cache duration runs out. Also, let me show you the Gutenberg block alternative. But before, let me copy the RSS feed URL because I will need this. So exit code editor, add the block that I mentioned, paste the URL of the RSS feed here, and here you will have all the parameters that you can check. So item count, this is the number of items that will be included in the RSS feed. Order by default, date, date reverse, or random. Layout, the layout as we already spoke about. titles, excerpt word count, cache timeout, read more, true or false button, new tab to open links in a new tab, thumbnail, true, or you can also add a size in pixels, source to display the source of the content. This is the site name from where the content was imported, date to display also the date, do follow if you want to enable do follow links back to the source, and Ajax loader, the little loader that you saw earlier, the rotating little loader that was showing for before the plugin actually loaded content. So this is the Ajax loader, you can also disable that. So here is the Gutenberg block alternative because I updated post, and this is now the Gutenberg block part. So yeah, this is the new update, the first update of this year. I hope you enjoy it, and it will bring Echo RSS Feed Importer to new levels and will make it more functional and useful for you. Don't forget that you can use this shortcode also in other plugins, and use other plugins to get RSS feeds. For example, you can use Crawlomatic to crawl the net for RSS feeds and input automatically in the RSS shortcode, in this one, the content that it crawls. This is also possible. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more, please subscribe to this channel because I release new videos each day at 7 PM GMT. Thank you for watching until then. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.